Hi, my name is Katrina Berg, and I'm going to be discussing the balanced scorecard approach to capital investment. The key to effective capital allocation is having a objective framework in place. CFOs are currently facing a challenge. They have to place non-financial measures on equal footing as financial measures, so they must adapt to an ever-changing market. The question becomes, how do you track the right items that will help you make decisions? CFOs must create a developed scorecard. Qualitative factors sit alongside typical financial metrics, including environmental impact, diversity goals, and occupational safety. It is essential to have an objective framework to drive analysis, prioritization, and execution regarding an organization's scorecard. An objective framework is essential, but the framework is only as good as the metrics on it. With the push for more qualitative metrics, CFOs are finding it harder to make the selection of metrics. When determining a potential investment, these metrics can help or stop the company from reaching their strategic goals. Leading practices to remember are just a couple of things that the author of this article had said was important, including formally including your both metrics in the investment decision process. Scoring frameworks must be continuously updated, which allows for course correction and project owner responsibilities. And then he also recommended digital technology and dashboards that should be utilized. So these will improve communication and make the decision process very visible for capital allocation. Next, he said that the weighing and scoring was something that had to take effect. So the weighing of these metrics must occur to be placed by their importance to reaching the strategic goals of the company. So they must ensure that the approved projects are still generating the necessary returns to achieve their long-term goals throughout the process. The metrics must get used comparing qualitative metrics with different projects and set a goal for monitoring and tracking success on the new balanced scorecard. An example in the article is the Pew Matrix. It is a chart that lists the specific criteria, the weighting, the assessment, and the score. The author was able to incorporate this into an organization and help change its market position. Shareholders and employees welcomed the change. CFOs are finally able to have that created balanced scorecard. So once they do, their metrics are determined, they're weighted and assessed. Decision makers will use the scorecard to allocate capital to businesses or business financial systems. A balanced scorecard ensures that effective decisions get made with higher agility, with its efficiency and transparency. This increased agility is a priority within the tumultuous market that we're in, especially after the pandemic of COVID.